Within the last hour, we learned New Bedford Public Schools will be closed tomorrow. This as crews will be clearing roads through the night and well into tomorrow. Fall River is also canceled tomorrow as this calls are starting to come in. But in New Bedford, it was a handful of communities to see blizzard conditions today. Eyewitness News reporter Steph Machado joins us now live from the Southeastern Massachusetts Mobile Newsroom with more on the conditions out there. Steph.
Well, I'm still waiting for it to really slow down here in New Bedford. I suppose it has a little bit, but it's still quite windy here. It's still really snowing here. The wind goes in and out and then it gets stronger. But I just want to show you how windy it really is, because if you look at our Eyewitness News car here, we haven't cleared this off at all in about 5 hours, and we've gotten like a foot of snow here. That's how windy it is that it's not really staying in one place anywhere, and that's what makes it so difficult for plows like this one behind me to keep clearing the snow, because they try and they come by and they clear the snow, but then the wind is blowing drifts back onto the roads, and that's what's making it so very dangerous to drive on the roads here. Now, we've been in the supermarket parking lot all day long, and the supermarket decided to close. The employees came out and found their cars with these snow drifts behind them, also from the wind just blowing it in, and we talked to them as they tried to dig their way out.
I'm just going to maneuver into them. Once I get over there, it looks like it's been plowed a little bit, enough to get me on the highway.
This is the worst storm we've had this year. This is the blizzard. This feels like the 78 blizzard right now.
And so that last gentleman, comparing it to the blizzard of 78, we've got another big wind gust coming through right now. I was not alive when that happened, but this is probably the strongest blizzard I've ever been out in personally. It's also extremely icy out here. The snow is very impacted to the ground, and so that makes it really difficult to even stand or walk, never mind drive. So your best bet is to stay inside for the rest of the night. Reporting live in New Bedford with the Mobile Newsroom, Steph Machado, Eyewitness News.